This is where we're gonna bring everything all together. Like, you're gonna see magic happen before your very eyes. This is where we take some water, and remember, we got the styling mousse in his hair, and we already hit him with the rosemary water. If you missed the last couple parts, make sure you go back. Now we're gonna take the gel and we're gonna smooth it into his hair. The gel I'm using here is the classic smoothing gel from As I Am. After we smooth it, we don't just leave it there. Smoothing is one technique all on its own. Raking is another technique. What you're seeing me do is literally coiling the hair around my finger. Because he has coily hair, the more times I coil it around my finger, the more coily it's gonna look. So if you don't want that super coily look, but you still want your curls to look more defined, that's when I'm gonna twist the hair around my finger once or twice. Sometimes I was getting ahead of myself and I was twisting it multiple times because I was just like, whatever, I kind of forgot how many times I was twisting it on my finger. That's all we're doing here. Smoothing the gel, couple twists around your finger, let the curl drop. It sounds like a lot of work. It is a lot of work because it takes quite some time, but it will last. But I guarantee you that this is not an overnight styling, one time and done. No, this is gonna last you a week plus with proper maintenance. Bonnet, and when you hit the shower, bro, put on a shower cap. Even if this took you 2 hours, you can make it last 2 weeks. In my eyes, that's a fair trade-off. I know that's not for everybody. This ain't for everybody.